Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I will show you how you can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius in Microsoft Excel. I will show you how you can convert these two temperatures using formula, and let's get started. Take a look at this. We have three temperature unit here in Fahrenheit, which is 1 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius is the most common thing you should learn. And then there is freezing temperature for water, which is 32 degree Fahrenheit, which I want to convert into Celsius. And then there is boiling temperature of water, which is 212 degree Fahrenheit, which I will eventually convert to Celsius. So first you need to understand the basic formula, how you can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. As I know the Fahrenheit to Celsius formula, you will have to consider these 2 points, which is freezing temperature and boiling temperature, 32 and 212. Freezing temperature in Celsius is 0 degree and the boiling temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So we need the conversion to be calculated in a way that, let's say, if I minus that boiling temperature and freezing temperature. So in Fahrenheit scale, you'll have 180 unit, and in Celsius scale, you'll have 100 units. So somehow you need to match this scale. So you need to convert this 180 to 100. So what we did here, we deducted the freezing temperature from the boiling temperature. So if we convert this 180 to 100, that means we have 0 to 100 scale placed within this Fahrenheit scale. And the formula to do that is you'll have to multiply 5 and divide it by 9, and it will be converted into 100. Okay, so from 212 we had to deduct 32, and then we will multiply the result with 5 and divide it with 9, and that is the mathematical formula for Fahrenheit to Celsius. And I'm going to write that here. Let's say I'm going to convert 97 degree Fahrenheit and I'm going to convert it into Celsius. So our formula will be equal to, and open parenthesis, the cell where we have our Fahrenheit temperature, deduct 32, close parenthesis, and now we are going to multiply it with 5 and divide the whole thing with 9. So 36.11, this is our Celsius. Okay, so we have converted 97 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, which converted result is 36 degrees Celsius using the mathematical formula inside Excel. Now if I use the same formula here, and you can see 1 degree Fahrenheit is negative 17.22 degrees Celsius, and let's convert it, and the second one should be 0 and the third one should be 100, and you can see the formula works perfectly. Freezing temperature in Fahrenheit is 32 and in Celsius is 0. Boiling temperature in Fahrenheit is 212 and in Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at some example. What if you want to convert some cooking temperature like 450 degree Fahrenheit, 425 degree Fahrenheit, 400 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius? For cooking temperature, let's say I'm going to write the manual formula here. I'm going to write here equal to, and then add open parenthesis. Select the cell where I have the Fahrenheit, deduct with 32, multiply it with 5 and divide by 9. If I press enter, and here this is our Celsius. So here we have all the cooking and baking temperature: 450 degree Fahrenheit, 425 degree Fahrenheit, 400 degree Fahrenheit, and here you can see 190 degree Fahrenheit, and we have converted all of them in Celsius. So this is how you can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius in Microsoft Excel. There are several ways, and in this video we have learned basic mathematical calculation on Excel, and this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.